is love. Mm, so this is love. So this is what makes life mine. I'm all aglow, and now I know.
And now I